Now we have to solve one exponential function by using chain rule, right? We have to solve this exponential function by using chain rule. And how we can solve it? We just write it as e raised to the power x square minus 3x. Okay. We write it as y is equals to e raised to the power x square minus 3x, right? This is your function. Again, we can use the chain rule on that function. So let u is equals to the power, that is x square minus 3x. And what is the derivative from this expression? Du by dx. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
So it will becomes 2x minus 3. Any problem?
No.
Again, we put the value of u into this expression. So it will becomes y is equals to e raised to the power u. And I have recently told you that if the function y is equals to e raised to the power x, its derivative will be same. So you can see that dy by du is equals to simple e raised to the power u, right? We just put the values into chain rule. So dy by dx is equals to dy by du multiply by du by dx. So what is the value of dy by du? That is e raised to the power u. What is the value of du by dx? Which is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So now in the right side we have another variable, that is u. So we have to put the value of u. It will becomes e raised to the power x square minus 3x as it is, and this bracket of 2x minus 3 is as it is. Do you understand? This is your solution. Now can you solve this question number 2 in the basis of this example?
Yes.
Okay. All questions can be solved by same method. In the first three questions, you can see that some constant is multiplied, and in the same way which is constant is multiplied in question number 1, we have to write constant as it is. We have to solve just this part, and at the end put this value into the question, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have also done the different derivatives of trigonometric functions. Sine's derivative is cos derivative is also, you can see that minus sign and cos cube. Here we can use the chain rule and then we can solve it, right? This is very simple. And also 2 sine square 2x. Here we can use the sine power rules as well as the which one, that is chain rule. Do you understand?
Which I'm not sure how to solve part C and D.
First of all, you have to use the power rule. By power rule, you can see that what is your function. It will becomes 3 cos square x, or you can also write it as, if I solve this question, y is equals to cos cube x, right? So first of all, when we take the derivative dy by dx, which will equals to d by dx of cos cube x. After that, when we apply the power rule. Power goes on start. It will become 3 cos square x, and also the derivative of cos x, right? This is also the chain rule. So now this is as it is. And what is the derivative of cos x? Which I have told you that the derivative of cos x will be minus sin x, right? So we have to just put the value, and your answer will be 3 cos square x dot minus sin x, right? And we can simplify it as minus 3 cos square x sin x, right? And also question number 4, you have to just change
Teacher,
specifying
I
this.
didn't understand.
You have not understand?
No.
Okay. So first of all, we can write it as x cube y is equals to cos 3 cos cube x, right? This is your function.
Yes.
We have to use the power rule. What is power rule? If you have y is equals to x cube, how we can use the power rule?
3x to the power of 2.
3x square. And one more thing in derivative is given, that is the derivative of the variable d by dx of simple x, which is used in this function. Understand? Which we have skipped due to the 1, because the derivative of this function, that is x dx by dx, which is equals to 1. That's why we have skipped this process in the whole power rule. But here in this case we have the function other than x, that is cos x. So we have to also derivate this cos x. Understand or not? Okay, you have to solve this. Then I'll explain also again. Okay, first
Okay.
of all, you have to do the examples. I'll explain again.
Okay.